Afternoon guys, and welcome back to the Motorhome Retrofits YouTube channel. So today we're in the middle of June and we've got some really nice weather, and I've got a cold, and that's punishment for me being away at the Isle of Wight festival. Just had a lovely 4 days away and now got a stinking cold. But either way, it doesn't matter because the sun's out and it's not raining, which is excellent. So today Martin's been working on this 2024 Malibu Charming. It's actually a Carthago motorhome, and it's a brand or spin-off from the Carthago brand of coach-built motorhomes using the Fiat Ducato sliding door van chassis. So it's been in today for the replacement high-level brake light camera, but a dual lens one. Now that basically means it's got a camera that looks down at the floor for reversing. It's got a camera that points back as well for when you're driving during general day use. Now this particular customer didn't want a high-level mirror monitor. What he did want was a dash-mounted monitor. So we've gone for one of our commercial body monitors, which is a 7-inch monitor. It's been screwed down to the dashboard nice and neatly, and we'll jump inside and show you what it looks like. Right, so we're sat in the front cab now, and you can see where we have positioned the monitor. Now, a lot of these camper vans, motorhomes, don't really have a great deal of room for us to fit a monitor. This is the 7-inch monitor, but it sits nicely. What we have done is we've gone for one of our other preferred older mounts to hold it, so that the position of the mount is from behind and not from the side here. Now it does mean that you've got these little threads or helicoils on view, but it doesn't really matter because it just means that you've got less bulk and the monitor looks a little bit more streamlined. Now you've also got a lovely glamorous shot of our bins in the back there, but either way, it doesn't really matter. It just shows that it's got some good color saturation and the picture of the viewing angle is just right. Now at the moment we're on the normal driving view, so the customer himself can actually adjust that up or down to see more of the road or further back behind him. But when we then put the vehicle into reverse, this automatically then changes over to the rear view, which is a really nice handy feature. So I can just pop it back into park like so, and it switches back to the normal driving mode. But if we wanted to, we can also then, without going into reverse, hit the mode button here, and the mode button again gives you the downward bumper view. Now this monitor itself can also have a third input, so if you wanted a blind spot camera on the side or on the left or the right, you could easily have that and utilize that third input for the camera, which is something that we'd suggest to the customer and say, look, it's got the potential to do it or the capability. But this is the high-level Fiat Ducato dual lens brake light camera connected to one of our really good quality 7-inch dash monitors, and it looks and works really well. So if you've got a vehicle and you want protection of when you're driving and you're reversing as well, then get in touch with us. Our website link is in the bio, and we're Motorhome Retrofits. Keep subscribing, tell your friends and family, and follow us on social media.